We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can check alarms on this MIBAO D100 IP camera. So first you will need to launch the IPC 360 app. Here select the alarms section, and at the alarms page you'll find all the alarms and alerts that happened while you were not looking at your camera. So all the motion that has been detected during the surveillance will be stored here, and so on. So you can see the history of those alerts. I mean, I have none since I've erased all, but well, you'll see your alerts and alarms here if there were any motion detected or something like that. Anyway, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.